WhatsApp keeps updating its features for the convenience of its users. Now, in the latest update, the app has introduced the ability to create polls for both iOS and Android users. The feature works in personal as well as in group chats, but at the moment it is only available for mobile apps, with availability on WhatsApp web to follow soon. So if you want to create polls on WhatsApp, then you need to follow a few basic steps. So in this video, we have explained a step-by-step guide on how you can create a poll on WhatsApp. So watch this video till the end. So first of all, you need to open the WhatsApp app on your iOS or Android device. Then open the personal or group chat you want to create a poll in. Then tap on the icon that resembles a pin and then select poll. Next, enter your poll question and subsequent responses. Well, currently you can add up to 12 responses. Once done, tap send to create your poll, and then it's done. Your poll has been created. So these were some of the easy steps that can help you create a poll on WhatsApp. Well, we hope you like this video. For more such content, do like and subscribe to our channel India.com.